Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to be showing you another recipe. My grandkids are going to be coming here and spending a day with us. And her favorite ulam is mussels. So my husband picked up some mussels in the store and she likes particularly the black mussels. And this already comes with this butter, but I won't be using this one because I don't like the taste. So I'm just going to make it the way that we do it, just very simple. First, I wash the mussels real well. Just clean the shells and some of the hairs from it. This kind basically doesn't have that much hair. It's called wild black mussels, and it's good. It's not the large one. Using the leftover of my red onions from yesterday, I'm going to be just using half of the half. So not much because I only have a pound of mussels that I'm going to be cooking. So I'm just going to cut few slices from these onions and set it aside for later sauteing. Just about that much. That is good. And then I'm going to put back my unused red onion back on the saran wrap and refrigerate it. And then I took a piece of ginger, that much, and wash it because I'm not going to be taking out the skin anymore. I'm just going to cut this and slice this ginger into pieces. You could tell I'm not really not good on cutting this. So just bear with me. We cut it. And again, it's gonna be for later. I'm gonna be using these seasonings. It's oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and seasoned soy sauce. A teaspoon of each except for the seasoned soy sauce, which I used about 2 tablespoons. I use seasoned soy sauce because it's a better flavor. It's not that salty. And I have been using this rather than a regular soy sauce. So it kind of gives it a much better flavoring. I also used a tablespoon of garlic on this recipe. And we're ready to saute. I first put some olive oil, virgin olive oil for sauteing. I used about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. And there goes my garlic. So I just fry it a little bit till it's about golden brown, and then I add my ginger. Give it a few stir, and goes the red onions, and let this saute for about few minutes until the onion is about translucent or glazy. At this point, I'm going to be adding the rest of the seasonings. Of course, it's the other 3 seasoning are the oyster soy sauce. Oh, I have to use spoon. kind of put a little liquid there so that I could, you know, use all the, I could scrape all the seasoning. And then there goes the oyster soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then the all seasoned soy sauce. Give this a little stir to blend with the sauteed ingredients, and add black pepper. And then I also used about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, diluted using about 3 tablespoons of water, and add my liquid, about a cup of water to this recipe, and pour it in so we could thicken the sauce. You can add a little water at a time, but not too much, just a few spoon at a time. And then there goes your mussels, and give it a good stir to cook with the rest of the sauteed ingredients. Let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I add the star anise, also included on the cooking process. Just a little piece, because again, you know, I did not use a lot of mussel this time. Just keep stirring so it doesn't burn the bottom of the pan. If you need to add, if the sauce is kind of getting dry, add a few drops of water. And I also going to be using fresh onion leaves, scallion, to garnish after it's cooked. And there you have it, my mussel recipe. I hope you enjoy my video as much as I enjoy bringing them to you. We're ready to plate. And this again is for my sweet Kaylin, my granddaughter. She loved this. This is her favorite ulam. Don't forget to like my videos and follow me on the Reels and Instagram. I also have a YouTube channel under Irenia's Cucina. And thank you for watching. Kaylin loves eating this. And there she is, enjoying the mussels that I prepared for her. Lots of love for Kaylin. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day, everyone.